an episode of Thursday Cooking with Kevin. This week we are going to do an easy stuffed pepper soup. We're not actually stuffing the peppers, but we are using peppers in it, and we are actually using the pressure cooker. And I tell you, we have not had this out for quite some time. We normally just end up using it for rice. Anyways, I'll run down the ingredient list and then we will start cooking. So we're going to need a pound of ground turkey, chicken, hamburger. We've chosen hamburger. Medium chopped onion. 3 medium bell peppers. Now these are all in American measurements. 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes. Or as we say, 796. Oh, we only need about half this can. I just noticed that. Okay, which is fine. A 15 ounce can of tomato sauce. Half cup of dry brown rice, but we're using white rice. 2 cups of chicken broth or beef broth or water. We are going to use beef. A clove of garlic minced. 2 teaspoons of oregano. A quarter teaspoon of pepper, and a 8 teaspoon of salt. So we are going to get the hamburger going. And I'm going to select on here brown, and I know it's on here somewhere. It's been a while since I've used it. There we go. Alright, I'm going to throw this in. Use our meat chopper. We're going to brown up this hamburger. Okay, we're going to let this go, get it started. When it's close to being finished, I will bring you back. Our hamburger is pretty well finished. And as I was sitting here cooking this, I realized that and I measured how much tomatoes and tomato sauce are in each. It's really not a whole lot more difference what they called here for one of those cans, so I'm just going to add them both in. We're going to drain I really like this new strainer that we got. Works very nicely. Okay. Turn that off for right now. And we're going to add in all of our ingredients. Some garlic. tomatoes, tomato sauce. Oh, don't really want to throw the whole can in there. All our peppers and our onions. Our rice. And go 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Tablespoons of the oregano. And 2 cups of the beef broth. So if we were using turkey or chicken, obviously I would have used the chicken broth, but because we're using the hamburger, we're using the beef. And just gonna give it a stir. It looks good. I think that tomato sauce is going to give it a really nice flavor. Just make sure it's mixed good. And that. We're going to throw the lid on it. Make sure we're all locked. Make sure we're locked back here. We're doing a soup, but we want high pressure. And for 15 minutes. Yeah, cook on high pressure for 15. Okay, we will hit the go button. Now it'll take more than 15 minutes because it takes time for the pressure to build up in the pressure cooker. So I suspect probably about 25 minutes, 30 minutes maybe. Yeah, that's it. Very quick, simple. Kelly she cut all the vegetables up and everything for me earlier. And then she goes, hey, I got a great idea. Make it a cooking with Kevin show. So we did. So this is what you're getting on Thursday instead of our mukbang. Okay, and the soup is ready. Well, maybe we will do a mukbang along with this because this didn't take very long. So, okay, the soup's ready to be tested. We'll be back. Okay, so somebody didn't want to be on camera, so we're not doing a mukbang.
Nope.
Anyway, looks good. You know, it's called whatever stuff.
Bell pepper soup.
Stuffed pepper soup. But it's more like hamburger soup.
I think next time I want to put cabbage in it. Because I think
it's okay. I would add more to it. It's kind of bland.
Well, you could have added more to it.
I didn't. I was just using the recipe. That's why I don't like doing some things in the pressure cooker, because I
nice.
can't. Because when it's done on the stove, you can do it. You can add things when you need to. You can't once the lid goes on the pressure cooker. That's it.
It's nice. It's a mild soup.
It is, but it's just missing.
We're bad for wanting to put some extra stuff in it.
Anyway, that's it. Here we go. Another episode of Cooking with Kevin. Maybe another one in a couple months. See everybody later.